Hello everyone, welcome to Neil's Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you a dish, chicken breast stir fry with 5 spice bean curd. Here are the ingredients needed: 5 spice savory tofu, chicken breast, cilantro, ginger, and red pepper. First, we slice the chicken into smaller pieces. You can also use pork or beef as an alternative. And then we put 2 slices of ginger onto the chicken. And then put 2 teaspoons of cooking wine onto the chicken. The cooking wine that I use is the Chinese Shaoxing wine. Sprinkle 1 teaspoon of salt onto the chicken. And sprinkle some black pepper onto the chicken. Stir the mixture well. Next, we cut the red pepper into slices. And then cut the red pepper into slices. Then we cut the cilantro into small portions. We cut the 5 spice tofu into slices. Turn on high heat. Add some cooking oil onto the pan. And add chicken. Stir fry the chicken until they are half cooked. Add red pepper and continue stir frying. Fry the chicken until it's a little bit brown, crispy brown on the outside. Add some salt. Add tofu. Continue stir frying. Add cilantro. We are done. The chicken breast stir fry with 5 spice bean curd is done. It is very tasty. Tastes very fresh. It's perfect to eat this with rice or noodles. Look at this yummy and hot and fresh dish. Here's a technical summary. Not much seasoning is needed for this dish because the 5-spice savory tofu brings a lot of flavor to the dish. Pork or beef is a good alternative to chicken breast. Don't forget to subscribe and comment below. New videos upload weekly. Thank you. Bye bye.